wrote here is that в игре
Да,
попутье людей узнают. So what I'm saying that we know people, we start learning people in their games, sort of when we are doing things, and when we travel with them. So, okay. В игре it's not necessarily play, but do things like we are doing now. Okay.
My mother had a saying, I'm Greek Cypriot, so she was full of sayings. She said, until you've tasted someone, it could be in a relationship, live with someone, then you don't know.
Yeah.
That's when you get to know someone.
Yeah, absolutely.
There's a sort of saying.
Exactly. So, but
It's the saying, and then don't say it. In other words, if you haven't tasted him, you don't know, or her.
yes, because I know just a little bit of Spanish, but it's
And do you know any? No.
or maybe just
¿Lo conoces? Sí. ¿Lo has tratado? No. Entonces no lo conoces.
conoces?
Do you know this person?
okay.
Yes. But did you treat him or did you treat him? Did you do something with that person? Tratado.
Hatado.
No. Then you don't know him or her.
Exactly. Yes, it's brilliant. Exactly.
This is funny. This is so Catalan.
Brilliant. So it's exactly the same.
Yeah, I was thinking
Maybe something else.
Something or a phrase in Catalan, maybe.
Is it the same language, Catalan and Spanish, or are they different dialects?
Well, there's a big discussion about that. You can say dialect or a language. For me, it's a language. For the story, the culture, the